In the eyes of my grandmother, I see the grass that grows in the rain. In the eyes of my mother, I smell the tears born from pain. In the eyes of my sister, I hear the people crossing valleys and slopes. In the eyes of my niece, I feel the wings that will carry us through hope. My niece has big hopes. She has big brown eyes, a wide brown nose, and sausages for toes. She has big brown ears, chubby brown arms, and Frankfurter fingers. She has big brown dreams, a big brown village, and a big white world. My niece is 9, like the 9 vakas that defied Western cosmological truths. Our ancestors sailed the 7 seas, discovering 7 wonders, connecting the 7th wonder to the 8th, connecting the 5th sense to the 6th, connecting our people to power and power to people, tracing the roots of the kauri tree to the seed. My niece has big dreams. She wants to sit in the beehive, pollinating policy with pragmatic change, stinging systems of oppression with enigmatic rays, and sweetening the sour history in the land they call milk and honey. She wants to learn about parihaka. She wants to learn about dawn raid. She wants to learn of the leaders who fought for sovereignty, for their life is what they gave. She wants to learn about the people who marched from the far north to the deep south with nothing but the truth singing and chanting off the tip of their mouth. My niece's favourite book is The Rainbow Fish, how its scales shine like iridescent rainbows that paint the canvas we deem to be completed. Swimming into a future where love has no boundaries, where love conquers, where love refuses to be defeated. My grandmother has a strong heart, broken into pieces to be shared. My mother has strong hands, bashing bark into ngatu. My sister has strong arms, folding and turning the pages, the maps of our history into the foundation for the next generation to stand up. My niece has strong legs. She always plants her feet like a coconut tree basking in the scintillating sun. Its roots molded to the whanua, reciprocating nutrition. It is in her eyes I see my hopes and dreams prospering into fruition.